Good morning, parents. It's Shayla with Tidewater Tutors, and I'm coming to you today with the Tidewater Tutors tip of the week. This week, I want to talk about parents getting so easily frustrated when they don't see students having immediate success with tutoring. I spoke to a parent recently, and they said, my child is doing great in tutoring, but on their report card, they still have an F. So this happens because a lot of the times when you're doing tutoring, we're starting from the beginning of whatever the child is working on. If the child is already weak, you have to take time to go back after you kind of have to catch up with what they're doing right now, if that makes sense. So if a child is working on fractions, but they had problems before with decimals, this is a continual build on. So we're going to start with where they're at now, because class is always continuing to move. You can't go back until you have time sometime during the school year to kind of catch up when they're reviewing for the SOLs or a big benchmark. Then you give them that review time. But wherever the child is, you need to focus on building up where they are and focus on the small successes that they have. A lot of times parents get caught up in, they didn't get a good grade this time, they're still getting an F, but focus on the success, because they brought home that paper, and even though they have an F on their report card, the paper, the grade that they just took the test on, they got a C on it. And for them, that's major, because maybe they took a test and they were only getting Fs. So focus on the milestones and the goals that they are achieving, instead of always focusing on the lack and what they're missing. So I hope this tip helps. Stay tuned for the tip next week, and enjoy your day. Thanks.